With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the given question we have been provided the paragraph about titration, okay, using sodium thiosulphate and iodine gas is liberated in this titration. Okay, the main question starts from here. 50 ml of aqueous solution of S2O2 was treated with excess of Ki in dilute S2SO4. The liberated iodine required 20 ml of 0.1 normal sodium thiosulphate for complete reaction. The concentration of S2O2 is being asked to us, okay, and it should be in gram per liter. This is the first correction, and our second option is 0.68. That is the second correction. Okay, so to begin this question, first we will write the reaction that occur when S2O2 reacts with potassium iodide. So when S2O2 reacts with potassium iodide in an acidic medium, okay, so we are using S2SO4. Okay, now what happens is we get K2SO4 plus 2 moles of water, and iodide get oxidized to iodine. Okay, and when this iodine reacts with sodium thiosulphate, that is Na2H2O3, which is known as hypo, okay, we will get iodine once again being reduced to iodide. Okay, so these are the two reactions for the given question. And as we can see from this reaction, milliequivalents of sodium thiosulphate will be equal to milliequivalent of our iodine, and that will be equal to milliequivalent of hydrogen oxide. Okay, so with the help of that, we can calculate the milliequivalent of hydrogen oxide, which will be equals to, see, we have 0.1 normal sodium thiosulphate and the volume is 20 ml. So milliequivalent is equals to normality into volume in ml. So milliequivalent for sodium thiosulphate are 20 into 0.1, that is 2. Okay, 2 milliequivalent. Now this is equals to the milliequivalent of S2O2 also. So milliequivalent of S2O2 are 2. Okay, we also know what is the equivalent weight of S2O2. That is molar mass upon 2, which comes out to be 17. So our mass or amount of S2O2 will be milliequivalent into equivalent weight upon 1000. Okay, so our mass or amount of S2O2 will be 17 into 2 upon 1000, that is 0.034 gram. Okay, and concentration in gram per liter will be 0.034 divided by the volume into 1000, because this volume is in ml and we have to find the concentration in gram per liter. So this comes out to be 0.68 gram per liter. That is an option number B. So our answer is option number B for the given question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.